Guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make adorable little Easter egg white chocolate mousse cups. It's a really cute idea. I saw someone do this a couple years ago at a party and I thought it was adorable. So it's just, you get your little hollow Easter eggs that you use for your Easter egg hunts. You can use bigger ones or maybe smaller ones, but we're going to chop them in half and fill them up with delicious white chocolate mousse and put a bit of lemon butter or lemon curd on top to make it look like an egg inside. I'm so excited. They're so cute. I think we should get started. These are the ingredients you're going to need right here. 200 grams of good quality white chocolate for cooking, 2 egg yolks at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 1 cup of thickened cream, 2 egg whites separated from the egg yolks from before at room temperature, and then about 1/4 cup of lemon butter. You can also use lemon curd. Lemon curd's a lot smoother, but this one also kind of looks like what egg yolks look like when they're slightly cooked. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then about 8 or so little hollow Easter eggs. We also have a big one here which we might make, we're not sure, depending on how much mousse we make. But I mean, you can always just do a few of these and just have the rest of the chocolate mousse on the side. It's more just for a cute little spectacle. Alrighty, so let's hop to it. Get it? It's gonna be excellent. Anyway, let's get started because Flavia is giving me judgmental looks at my bad puns. So what we're going to do first is we're going to whip our thickened cream to stiff peaks. I'll show you what that looks like. Then we're going to put that in the fridge while we're making the rest of our chocolate mixture. Okay, now I'm using a hand beater here. Of course you can use a standing mixer. The only reason I like the hand beater when I'm doing things like whipped cream or egg whites is because you can move the beaters around to make sure you get all aspects of the bowl. Sometimes with the standing mixer you miss some. Once your cream has reached stiff peaks like this, place it into the fridge while we work on the rest of it. Bye. So we've just finished our cream, and what we're going to do now is put our white chocolate and butter in a small mixing bowl. This is a Pyrex bowl, you can also use glass. Then we're going to put it over a double boiler, or what that is, basically we're getting a small saucepan, filling it with a few centimeters of water, bringing that to a medium-high heat and allowing the steam to slowly melt the chocolate and butter. Now, just be careful when heating the chocolate. You want to do it over a medium heat and let it happen slowly. If you cook it on a too high heat, it can seize and go grainy. You don't want that. While your white chocolate and butter is melting, whisk together your egg yolk and caster sugar until it's light and frothy and foamy. Once your chocolate and butter has melted, it might form a little bit of a paste. This is normal, don't worry. It's not going to be as silky smooth as you expect. Then we're going to add about 1/4 of this to our egg yolks and mix it around. This is just to make sure our egg yolks don't heat up or cook. And then we're going to put it back in with the chocolate mixture, and this is just going to evenly distribute the egg yolks. So adding the egg yolk mix back into the white chocolate and butter, my Pyrex bowl still has quite a lot of heat to it. This will be enough heat to just help thicken the mixture a bit, but not enough heat to cook the egg. I'm just going to add my teaspoon of vanilla extract now. Now, of course, you can omit the vanilla extract. I find it just gives a really lovely flavor. So now we're going to transfer our white chocolate mix into a larger bowl that's also cool to the touch. And when we add our egg whites and cream into it, we don't want it to be too warm because it can actually make the chocolate mousse lose its integrity and go a bit sloppy instead of nice and firm and fluffy. Now we're going to whisk our egg whites until they reach firm peaks. I'll show you what that looks like as well. If you're using the same beaters as before, make sure there is no water or fat left on the beater blades, as this can impair the fluffiness of your egg whites. Also, just another little trick if you want to know if you've done it enough, turn it upside down over your head. Stiff peaks. Maybe do that only if you know you've done it enough, because I've done that before and it's fallen on my head. Yep. So now that we've finished with our egg whites and they're at nice firm peaks, we're going to add about 1/3 of it into our white chocolate butter mixture. Beat it on low speed with our hand mixer. This is just going to help incorporate it and become nice and loose. You don't want to add all your egg whites now because it'll lose its fluff. Add the rest of your egg whites to the batter and mix only on a slow speed. If you go too fast, you're going to lose all your lovely air bubbles. And that's what makes chocolate mousse so delicious and airy and fluffy. Oof. Once it's all like this, you can give it a really high speed for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then we're going to add the cream. Make sure to scrape down the sides. I've only just taken the cream out of the fridge. As you can see, the bowl's still nice and cold. And we're going to put half in, slowly stir it or beat it again, then add the rest, and then we're going to put it in the fridge and wait for it to harden. Now, I'm only mixing these for about 5 to 10 seconds at each addition, just so I can see it's only just incorporated, because if you overmix it, again, you'll lose all the lovely airiness. Alright, so our white chocolate mousse is all nice and mixed and it smells amazing. I'm so excited. But unfortunately we have to wait for it to set. So one thing you can do, you can make this ahead of time and just let it set overnight. You want it to set for about 4 to 6 hours at least, but you can always test it by just putting a spoon in and trying a little bit and making sure it's nice and airy and fluffy. So just gonna cover it in cling wrap and put it in the fridge. Okay guys, we've got our lovely chocolate mousse and it's all delicious and set. I'm so excited, it smells amazing. We've got our lemon butter, we've got our little Easter eggs, and then we've got our big one if we want to. And just a cute little way to present these as well is just getting an old egg carton and just cutting this part off and serving them like this and then bringing them out. I'll show you, it's gonna be so cute. So what we need to do now is we have to unwrap our Easter eggs, and with a really sharp knife, we're gonna put it in some boiling water, clean it dry, and carefully cut off the top of the egg. If you use a regular knife without heating it up, it might crack the egg unevenly. I mean, if you want that look, go for it, but I want nice clean cuts, like a boiled egg. So once we've put our chocolate mousse into our piping bag, we're going to fill our hollow eggs and the little shells for the hats, which I think is adorable, until they're just full to the rim. Leave a little bit of room for your yolk or the lemon butter. Once you've made your eggs, put them in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes before serving, just to make sure they firm up again. Okay guys, that's how you make my adorable little Easter egg chocolate mousse cups. They are so cute. Probably next time I would use lemon curd to make it more of a smooth kind of yolk, but I still really like these. We also made Big Boy here just because we could. But yeah, I'm really excited. They're so easy and adorable to make. I hope you enjoy them and I hope you make them for Easter. Please let me know if you do. But yeah, Flavia's been like drooling for the past however long we've been doing this for. So I say, let's eat. Cute. All right.
I am so keen. These look so adorable.
Okay, now, I know you're not a fan of lemon curd.
You are correct.
So I will take your lemon curd.
That away.
Here we go.
Thank
Here we go, my love. But yes.
Smells nice.
Enjoy.
Woo.
Charles.
Charles. Oh, baby.
Oh, I like it with the lemon actually. I know you wouldn't, but like, oh, it's so creamy. And then like as well, you can just kind of go like that.
I'm just gonna hum.
And you get the milk chocolate, with the white chocolate. That little bit of citrus, not for you.
It's like a Kinder egg.
A Kinder egg chocolate mousse.
Yum.
Too wetty.
Oh, that mousse
That's
is gorgeous.
Isn't like a Kinder egg?
It is. The white chocolate and the milk chocolate.
Oh, yum.
So creamy and delicious.
Thank you. And it's just the right size as well. It's perfect.
It's perfect, yeah. Because I think this would be this big boy. Be
Big
good
boy.
for sharing.
Yeah, I
I feel
can't
like
eat
if
all.
you ate the whole thing,
It's very rich.
you would be like, oh my god. But this is perfect.
Oof. Little hats.
Happy Easter!
I hope you gave up chocolate for Lent because this is worth it. Is there a chocolate religion?
There should be.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye!
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that or something awesome game related.